Hello children. So in today's class we are going to start a new chapter called measurement from the subject mathematics. Okay, we are going to start our new chapter measurement. And what will be the learning checklist? That means in this chapter measurement we are going to learn how to add different units of length, mass and capacity, and also we will learn how to subtract different units of length, mass and capacity. Understood children? In your previous classes you might have already learned what are the different units of length, mass and capacity. Yes, so in our this chapter we are going to learn how to add and subtract these different. In ancient times the following were commonly used as different units of measurements. Now in the ancient times means in the olden days, that is way back some thousands of years ago, the following were used as different units of measurement. What is it? The first one is foot. People used the foot as a unit of length in different parts of the world. What does foot means? Yes children, we have our leg, right? So the area, this whole area from our toes to our heel becomes 1 foot. It is called as 1 foot. So in ancient days what did people do? People used this foot as a unit of length. Yes, 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot, etc. Understand? And another way of measuring was using span. A span is the length from your little finger to your thumb when you stretch your fingers. Are you able to see the picture here? We are stretching our hand and then the length from our little finger to the thumb. The length from our little finger to the thumb becomes 1 span. S-P-A-N. This length becomes 1 span. See, nowadays what do we use for measuring? We use scales. Yes, on scales we have the markings such as of different centimeters. Yes, or else we use tapes. Yes children, we use tapes to cover or to measure longer distances. Now in the ancient times, that is in the olden days, when these scales and tapes were not yet introduced, then people used these as units of measurement. Say foot or else span, and then next is cubit. One of the oldest units of measurement was the cubit, which was the length of the arm from the tip of the finger to the elbow. See, this is the tip of the fingers here. From here to our elbow. This is the elbow, right? So from the tip of the fingers to the elbow, that distance was called as 1 cubit. Now this cubit was also used to measure the length of the given objects. Next one is yard. The word yard comes from the old English E-E-R-D, yard, which means a rod or a measure. What is this children? The word yard is derived from the old English word yard, which means rod or a measure. A yard is nearly a meter. And how much distance does yard cover? Yard is almost equal to the distance of 1 meter. Yes, yard is not usually used in India. It's used in US, Canada or UK. Okay children? Now these are the different ancient measurements used. What were they? Foot. Yes, foot. Then we have span. After that we have cubit, and then we have yard. Now in ancient India, an angle, finger or muthi fist were used for measuring small lengths. If we have very small lengths, so to measure those lengths in ancient India, that is in our country, we used angle and muthi. Angle means finger children. See, 1 finger. Okay, so length of 1 finger, or else muthi. Muthi means fist. Fist means what? When we close all our fingers together, then we get our muthi, also called as fist in English. So angle and muthi were used for measuring small lengths. In 1790, the French created a standard unit of measurement called as the metric system. Now what happened? Before this 1790, people were using different units of measurement like this angle and muthi in India. Yes, or what else did we learn? Foot, span, cubit, yard. Now all these were used. In 1790, the French people